Hi everyone, my name is Kiera Harris, and I am a third grade teacher at Whitehead Road Elementary School in Clark County in Athens, Georgia. So my relationship to creativity, well, creativity is a pretty big deal to me. I feel like expression is the key to a closed mouth, and I only say that because sometimes you have students who don't really don't know how to express themselves. So I really like to provide my students with different outlets through writing. I try to make up songs so they think that it's cool. This is how you make a rap song to a math problem, or just different ideas to kind of get you out there and to kind of get you to express yourselves in different ways. I think that's a pretty big deal. And I think a lot of it comes from, or my push for expression actually came from my next point, my memorable moment in a creativity issue. Well, last semester in Dr. Hines' class, I did a project on how AVID meets creativity, and basically AVID is just a program. It stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. It's basically a college career readiness program for students to kind of be just gaining that knowledge in order to be ready and prepared for college and then in the job force. So for example, learning how to note take better and learning how to be organized and and part of that is learning how to express yourself. And so then when I included the creativity piece, it just really made me just want to push forth more into expression and how it's so important, and it's so key to a lot of things in life and things, and how you can understand who you are as a person. And so, which also leads me to my next point, my most and least favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity. My most favorite aspect is when people want to be engaged and want the understanding of the issue. It's really nice because it lets me know that you see that there is a problem in diversity and creativity and equity, and for you to want to understand and know how to um, to do better and be better about the issue. That's always rewarding, and I love that because it makes me feel very good inside. And then my least favorite issue is when people are silenced to the issue that there is an issue in diversity and inclusion. So my problem is that you see that there's an issue, but yet you don't want to express it. You don't want to acknowledge the fact that something is wrong. And then when you see that something is wrong with, including all those very key aspects in education, diversity, equity, creativity, all of that into one, and you still don't want to do anything about it. So I think that really bothers me, and it's my least favorite aspect of education and diversity and equity, because people see that it's a problem, see that's an issue, and don't really want to do anything about it, and that really bothers me. But to end this video on a good note, this is me. My name is once again Kiera Harris, and I'm very excited to be in this class. When I found out that this was a class, creativity, diversity, and equity, I knew I had to be in it. So this is me. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to work with you guys this semester. Bye.